In this video, I'm going to explain how we can integrate the function 3x over the square root of 2x minus 1 between 1 and 5. So this was actually a multiple choice question that I uploaded a few days ago, which you can see here. And a lot of people found it quite difficult. And a few people messaged me asking if I could explain how to do it. So I thought I'd make a video for everyone to see how you can do it. So for these integration questions, we want to use a substitution. Now, the tricky thing about this integral is that we've got this square root 2x minus 1 at the bottom, and we want to get rid of that somehow. So to do that, we could use the substitution u equals the square root of 2x minus 1. Now we can also think of this as u squared equals 2x minus 1. So when we do substitution, there's sort of three things we need to think about. We need to rearrange what we're integrating. We need to differentiate to change the dx to a du, and we need to make sure we change our limits. So that's our three things to do. So first of all, let's try and differentiate this. Now the quickest way to do that is actually to differentiate both sides with respect to x. So the left-hand side, we get 2u, as a 2 comes down, but then we also have du by dx, and this just equals 2 if we differentiate this with respect to 2. Now we can cancel these 2's here and make dx the subject, so dx equals u du. So that's what we're going to substitute into here. Now we also need to rearrange the inside of the integral, so we've already got the bottom, so this is going to be all over u. Now we need to make 3x, so 3x, how can we arrange that? Well, we know that u squared is 2x minus 1, so that means that 2x is u squared plus 1, so 3x must be 3 over 2 u squared plus 1, since we're just multiplying both sides by 3 over 2. Now the last thing we need to remember is the limits, and we can easily check that when x is equal to 1, we get that u is also equal to 1, and when x is equal to 5, if we plug that in here, we get that u is equal to 3. So now we've got all the ingredients and we can plug this into our integral. So this is the integral now between 1 and 3 of 3x, which is this bit, the 3 over 2 times u squared plus 1, all over the square root of 2x minus 1, which we know is u, and then this is times u du, which is our dx is equal to u du, which is nice because these u's cancel out. So we're just left with the integral between 1 and 3 of 3 over 2, like it's here, u squared plus 3 over 2 du. Now we reduce it to something which is nice and straightforward, so we can integrate this. If we bring the 3 over 2 out the front, we get a third u cubed plus u, and this we need to evaluate between 1 and 3. So to do that, we plug in our value of 3 first, and then finally our value of 1. So this is 27 over 2, since this 3 cancels with this 3 here, plus 9 over 2, take away a half, plus 3 over 2. And we can simplify this, and it turns out this is 18 and this is 2. So 18 take away 2 gives us the final answer of 16.